We have a love for going fast.
So first you got to download this add-on. It's just called Rig a Car, and then you can start prepping your car. So first you got to make sure that the car is aligned correctly. So if you just go to the front view, you see that it's backwards. Just flip it around. Then you're going to have to check if it's sitting on the 3D floor. You can see that the tires are laying on that line right there, so it should be fine. So you want this because the add-on is expecting the car to be on the 3D plane and facing the correct way too. So some of these parts are actually parented together so that they can move on like a certain axis, but we don't need that. So hit A to select everything, hit Alt P, clear the parents, but keep the transformations. And all the little empties are gonna have like the 3-axis little symbol. You're not gonna need those, so just go in and delete them. And now you're gonna separate the car into the body, each different wheel, and then each different wheel brake. So for the body, it's in individual pieces. So you wanna select all of them and then hit Control J and it'll join them together. Now you're gonna wanna name it so that the add-on can recognize each individual part. So then you're basically just gonna specify like what it is, if it's in the front or the back, and then left or right. Now that everything is named, you're gonna wanna set the origin to the center of the geometry. So just click it, right click, origin to geometry. And you're gonna wanna do that for every part. Now to start actually rigging the car, hit A to select everything. Go to one of the side views, click Shift A, armature, and then car rig. And you're gonna wanna put this bone to be half in the car and half out of the car. Now you just gotta open up the add-on, just press N. It toggles it on and off. You have to find rig a car, just click generate. Now everything should be rigged. You can click on each bone, move them around.